Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of signing up for Google Workspace, a powerful suite of productivity tools that can help you and your team work smarter and more efficiently. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the Google Workspace website. Open your web browser and go to the Google Workspace website at workspace.google.com. Here, you'll find detailed information about the various plans and features available. Step 2. Choose a plan, scroll down to the pricing section and compare the different plans offered by Google Workspace. Options typically include Business Starter, Business Standard, and Business Plus. Click on the Get Started button under the plan that fits your needs. Step 3. Enter your business information. You'll be prompted to enter your business name and the number of employees. Fill in the required fields and click Next. Step 4. Provide contact information. Next, enter your name and current email address. This is important because it will serve as your primary contact information for your Google Workspace account. Step 5. Choose a domain. You will need a domain name for your business. If you already have one, select Yes, I have one I can use. If not, you can choose to buy a new domain through Google. Follow the prompts to verify your choice and proceed. Step 6. Create your user account. Set up your user account by entering your desired username and password. This will be your login information for Google Workspace. Ensure your password is strong and secure. Step 7. Review your order. After filling in the necessary details, review your order and pricing. Make sure everything looks good before proceeding to the next step. Step 8. Payment information. Enter your payment information to finalize the subscription. Google accepts various forms of payment, including credit and debit cards. Ensure that your payment details are correct, then click Next. Step 9. Set up your admin console. Once your payment is processed, you will be directed to the Google Workspace admin console. Here, you can manage users, set up email accounts, and customize settings for your organization. Step 10. Configure your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your Google Workspace account. This includes setting up Gmail, Google Drive, and additional services you may want to use. And there you have it. You've successfully signed up for Google Workspace and can now start utilizing its powerful tools to enhance your productivity and collaboration. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.